Like, it's not famous. It's not something we can find on internet or what.
Yeah.
And but here we discover one street like this. So interesting. So many things. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Hope you are doing great today. So today we are Pahon Yotin. So Luchai 1. So it's between the Ari BTS station and the Victory Monument station.
Yeah, between Sanampao and Victory.
Yeah, Sanampao, I forgot. Yeah, Sanampao station and Victory station. And this street is really cute. It's like oh, it's really nice on this street.
Really
so many
lively,
people.
wow, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe because people got off of work. It's
Yeah.
5 p.m. already.
It's Monday, 5 p.m. Many street vendors on the street. Many people. Oh yeah.
Oh, you can see this street? The narrow street. I don't know if you show it already. We are not going to take it, but just to show. Oh, okay. Have to watch your step here.
Yeah, have to be careful because it's very narrow. Lot of people and lot of motorbikes. So many nice food.
Oh, there is a car also.
Yeah, be careful. There's so many things going on here. I don't know where to look. You got soap here, some mask, some stuff. Wow. Okay.
You can buy.
Hmm?
You can buy I think curry soap for 25 Thai baht.
Ah yes.
Just over there, yeah.
Ah, in the bag.
Yeah. Take away.
So many Thai restaurants here. Yeah, that's what I really like here in Bangkok. It's we have this like little street like this, but it's so interesting, and but we don't know them. Like, it's not famous. It's not something we can find on internet or what.
Yeah.
And but here we discover one street like this. So interesting. So many things.
Yeah, it's a local market.
And we can really see the local life here. Okay, I have to be careful on the street. I don't want to be hit by a motorbike.
It smells jackfruit, but I don't see it.
Yeah, it smells the jackfruit. Oh là là, wow. Some vegetables here. Another restaurant. 7-Eleven. Okay, where we should go?
Maybe you can turn left.
Yeah, we'll see there. Ah, where is the time here?
What?
It's 5:25.
Oh. I think it was the spot for the motorbike taxi.
Yeah?
Maybe it was the spot for the motorbike taxi.
Ah, yes. Oh, there is a market here.
Oh, the indoor market.
Okay, let's see what we have here first. Oh, we have a lot of people here. Okay. Maybe we can go in the market.
Fresh market, yeah.
Okay, can go into the local market. Nice. Okay, we are now in the local market. So pretty much everything. Some shrimp, seafood, fish, eggs. More fish, fresh fish, vegetables, some meat, more vegetables. Okay, we are at the exit of the market.
Yeah, it was a nice market.
Yeah, short and I don't know where we are now.
It's not a market for tourists, obviously. It was really a market. If you
Local
want to
market,
Cook, yeah,
yeah.
local market, fresh product with the fish, vegetables. If you are willing to cook, maybe this is a place you want to go. We really don't know where we are right now.
Yeah, it seems interesting here.
Yeah.
We have some residents here. There is some closed shop.
I'm afraid that this is a dead end.
No, it's a dead end. Really?
I don't know if we are heading this way
Okay.
because
Yeah,
I'm checking the map also.
Okay, let's just go see. Because here we are in a residence area. It's really interesting, I think, to see. To learn how people live.
These are small shops.
Yeah, it's shop, huh?
Yeah.
It's shop, but there is many closed. But interesting. Okay, I think we are really in the dead end, because there I don't know where is it, but I think it's a residence there also. And this I don't know. This is a new apartment building or I don't know. Okay.
We have to go back there.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this little walk and the fresh market also, and if so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We also hope that you see something new with us today, and yeah, see you in the next one.
See you guys.